Discover Inverness, a luxury community of distinctive homes with premium lots to build your new dream estate. Inverness features gated entries with a security guard at the main entry gate and equipped with 24-hour surveillance security cameras and electronic access for residents. The prestigious neighborhood is heavily wooded with mature oak trees and beautifully landscaped greenbelts, as well as numerous cul-de-sacs, which makes the community of Inverness a unique private living experience. The community of Inverness is conveniently located near excellent shopping and dining, including H-E-B market centers, as well as hospitals and easy highway access to downtown. For the outdoor enthusiast, Hardberger Park is within a short walking distance, where the kids can enjoy the playground, you can walk your pets in the evenings, or ride your bicycle. With several lot options to choose from, your possibilities are nearly endless, and the Solis International Group will help find the perfect match that fits your needs and wants in this stunning community. For more information regarding the architectural guidelines or to preview your new home site in Inverness, contact the Solis International Group today at 210-477-4891 or visit sanantoniomicasa.com.